Welcome students of class 8th. Today we discuss class 8 civics chapter number 2, the Constitution of India. Making of the Constitution of India. Indian attains independence on 15 August 1947. With the freedom emerged a need of a set written laws to govern the country. Thus the leader of that time collaborated to set up the Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution of India. Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly consists of some great political leader of that time, such as Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad, Sarojini Naidu, Frank Anthony, and Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly के president Dr. Rajendra Prasad थे. In order to prepare the first draft of the Constitution of India, the Constituent Assembly appointed the drafting with the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman. The drafting committee submitted numerous drafts of the provisions of the Constitution of India. Therefore, the Assembly discussed and deliberated those provisions to give final shape to the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect from 26 January 1950. हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बी आर अम्बेडकर ने बनाया और ये हमारी कंट्री में 26 नवंबर 1949 को अडॉप्ट हुआ और इफेक्ट में आया 26 जनवरी 1950 को. Aims and objective of the Constitution of India. The aims and objects of the Constitution of India are enshrined in its introductory notes called Preamble. The Preamble declares India to be a sovereign, socialism, and secular and democratic republic. Further, it aims to ensure justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity to the citizens of India. Let us understand the meaning of this term in detail. It is the format of the Constitution of India Preamble. The Preamble mentions the aims and objectives of the Constitution of India. I hope you understand the aims and objectives of the Constitution of India. This topic is done here. Okay, bye students.